Residual current protective devices have a proven track record dating back many years as effective means of protection. They give protection in the event of direct and indirect contact with voltage. They also offer supplementary protection against electrically ignited fires. Both RCBOs and RC units combined with miniature circuit breakers unite personnel, fire, and overload protection in one device. We distinguish between various designs: RCCB, RC unit, RCBO in types AC, A, B, and B+, as well as different versions: super resistant, selective, and Residual. A short overview shows the meaning of these abbreviations. Residual current protective devices of type AC are suitable for the detection of sinusoidal AC fault currents. Typical applications include electric heating or electric cookers. In various countries, this device type is not approved for the realization of protective measures with residual current protective devices. In addition to sinusoidal AC fault currents, residual current protective devices of type A also detect pulsating DC fault currents. These devices also control the fault current forms of single-phase consumers with electronic components in the power supply unit, such as electronic ballasts or dimmers. Residual current protective devices type A are suitable for most input circuits of electronic operating equipment. Besides the detection of type A fault current forms, residual current protective devices of type B also serve the detection of smooth DC fault currents, which for example occur with the operation of frequency converters and photovoltaic systems. The tripping values are defined for frequencies up to 2 kHz. For residual current protective devices of type B+, the tripping conditions are defined for frequencies up to 20 kHz. They are therefore suitable for increased and preventive fire protection. Photovoltaic systems and the operation of frequency converters represent typical application examples also for these devices. Besides the type differentiation of residual current protective devices, they are also available in different versions. The super-resistant version is employed when no disconnection of the consumer is required and desired in case of short-term high-leakage currents. Super-resistant residual current protective devices offer high surge current withstand capability of 3 kA. Typical applications include electronic ballasts in fluorescent lamps and EMC filters. Selective residual current protective devices are employed for ensuring selective disconnection of series-connected residual current protective devices in case of faults. These devices have to feature a graded design both with regard to the rated differential current as well as in terms of the tripping time. Furthermore, selective residual current protective devices offer a very high impulse withstand strength of 5 kA. The Residual residual current protective device was developed for severe ambient conditions with increased corrosive gas loads. Gases in connection with humidity, which frequently occur in indoor swimming pools, agriculture and chemical industry applications, bear a corrosive effect on the device's metal parts and particularly on the metal surfaces of the holding magnet release. The Residual residual current protective device prevents the formation of corrosion with its patented active condensation protection. The direct heating of the holding magnet release with minimum power input ensures a slightly increased temperature on the metal parts, which considerably prolongs the device's service life. The RCCB, RC unit, and RCBO residual current protective devices by Siemens represent the optimum solution for personnel, fire, and overload protection.